Looking for the best pickleball paddles to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 4. Vatic Pro Prism Flash. If you're on a budget but still want a high-performing paddle, this is a great deal at just $99. It's built with a tough thermoformed unibody design, so it's durable yet light enough to swing easily. Plus, the raw carbon fiber face gives you excellent spin potential, especially for the price. For a budget-friendly paddle, you're getting premium features without the high price. The sweet spot is very forgiving, and the paddle is super responsive, whether you're making soft shots at the kitchen or going for a power drive. Many beginners and intermediate players rave about how this paddle helps them improve their game without draining their wallet. It feels like a pro-level paddle but without the pro-level price. The balance is clean, it doesn't feel too top-heavy or flimsy, which makes it easier to control during long rallies or quick exchanges. It may not have the plush feel of more expensive paddles, but it holds up well. You may not get the same softness on resets, but what you do get is consistency, reliability, and a paddle that will help you improve over time. The textured surface grips the ball nicely, and it weighs between 7.8 to 8.1 ounces, making it easy on the joints. Whether you're just starting or need a reliable backup paddle, the Prism Flash is one of the best deals around. It'll keep up with you, whether you're practicing dinks or working on your drives. Number 3. Bread-and-But Filth. And man, what a name, right? But let me tell you, this paddle lives up to the hype, retailing for around $165. The Filth is the ultimate all-court weapon, whether you're grinding out long rallies at the baseline or sneaking up to the net for a quick flick volley, this paddle just adapts. It's versatile, and honestly, that's what makes it so fun to play with. You can literally use this in any game situation, singles, doubles, fast-paced, or slow dink battles, and it keeps up without missing a beat. The thermoformed construction gives it that perfect blend of pop and control, while the carbon fiber face offers great spin and durability. You can really feel the paddle respond when you go for top spin drives or try to slice the ball for a sneaky cross-court shot. The grip is super comfortable too, slightly tacky with just the right amount of cushioning, so you're not constantly readjusting midpoint. Plus, it's super easy on the wrist, and the vibe, oh, it's got style. Bread and Butter nailed it with the branding. It's clean, edgy, and stands out on the court. It's the kind of paddle that turns heads and makes people ask, hey, what are you playing with? It's a go-to choice for players who don't want to specialize too much. If you want one paddle that can do a little bit of everything well, this is the one. Whether you're grinding out rec games or stepping into a tournament, the Filth has your back. And what really sells it is how consistent it is under pressure. You can block a hard drive reset with a feather-light touch and then slam a winner, all with the same paddle. That kind of flexibility is rare, especially in a mid-tier price range. So, if you're looking for a paddle that feels just as good in your hands on one, as it does in a third-set tiebreaker, the Filth delivers. Number 2. Straight-up beast. The Gearbox Pro Power. This one's not cheap, at $275, but if you're all about that aggressive, hard-hitting style, it's worth every penny. Gearbox completely ditched the traditional honeycomb core and went full aerospace style with a solid span carbon fiber build. That means you're getting power, pop, and precision with every single shot. It's engineered for players who thrive on aggressive plays, who want to dictate the pace, and aren't afraid to go for big swings. The feedback from this paddle is immediate and addictive. You know exactly what your shot is doing the moment it leaves the face. What's wild is how stable this thing feels, even on off-center hits. It doesn't twist in your hand or lose control, it just powers through. It's like the paddle absorbs the shock and redirects your energy right back into the ball. The spin potential is also ridiculous, so it's not just a one-trick power pony. The surface grabs the ball like Velcro, giving you insane top spin and cut on your serves and ground strokes. From low skidding slices to heavy top spin lobs, the Gearbox Pro Power opens up your full shot arsenal. It's especially deadly on high balls. If you get one, you better believe it's getting punished. Now, it's definitely not the most forgiving paddle on the market. It's made for players who know what they're doing. There's not much cushioning for errors, so it's not ideal for casual play or if you're still building consistency. But if you're confident in your swings and want to bring the heat, the Gearbox Pro Power is an absolute game changer. It rewards confidence and punishes hesitation. Just be ready, this thing bites back. It's not for the faint of heart, but for those who like to dominate the court with speed, strength, and precision. It's a top-tier weapon that's hard to beat. Number 1. CRBN 3X Power Series. And let me tell you, advanced players are going nuts over this paddle. It comes in at around $230, and it's specifically engineered for those who know how to command a court. You're getting a unibody thermoformed build here too, which means excellent power, stability, and durability. The feel of this paddle in your hand is elite, it's solid, responsive, and really gives you confidence to go for those riskier plays. The core is tuned for competitive impact, giving you that pop when you need it without compromising control. What sets the CRBN 3X apart is how clean and connected it feels. You can rip drives, punish high balls, and still have the touch for drop shots and resets. It's fast in the hands and smooth through the air, giving you the edge when speed matters most. The paddle face is super gritty, so if spin is part of your strategy, and it should be, this paddle gives you full control. The textured carbon grabs the ball on contact, so you're able to roll forehands, carve backhands, and pull off tricky serves that dip right over the net. Plus, the shape is slightly elongated, which adds a little reach and leverage to your shots, especially useful in singles or tight net battles. This one's definitely not for casual players, it's built for speed, power, and finesse, all rolled into one. You're going to feel like the paddle is an extension of your arm, especially when you're in the zone. It offers advanced shot feedback and exceptional directional control, making it easier to place the ball exactly where you want. If you're a tournament player or just someone who wants the edge in a competitive setting, the CRBN 3X is that next-level weapon you've been waiting for. It doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them shot after shot.